Oke, jadi mungkin ada dari kalian yang bingung. Sekarang Cloud Code udah banyak berkeliaran, apakah masih worth it untuk belajar N8N? Jadi sini aku bakal tunjukin kalian salah satu video yang paling underrated yang bakal jelasin semua ini. Nah, tapi sebelum itu aku jelasin dulu siapa dia. Jadi si Nethard ini itu salah satu expert, salah satu mentor aku yang aku ikutin. Jadi dia udah punya banyak experience di field ini, bahkan dia sudah punya agensi dia sendiri. Nah, jadi kita bakal dengar gimana pendapat dia dan kenapa walaupun N8N itu nggak sepopuler itu di tahun 2026 ini, tapi kalian tetap perlu mulai dari N8N. Jangan langsung skip ke Cloud Code. By the way, untuk kalian yang mau nonton secara langsung, itu kalian bisa langsung ke video dia as is N8N Dead. Tapi di sini aku bakal buat ini mudah dicerna untuk kalian dan supaya kalian bisa langsung klik. Kenapa N8 itu masih penting gitu dibandingin daripada Cloud Code. Oke, jadi langsung saja kita dengar.
Is N8N dead? This has been the biggest question that I've been getting over the past couple weeks. Almost 24 hours ago, I made this post in my Plus community, just basically talking about, are you ready to switch from N8N to Claude Code? And I go on about the way that I think about these two different tools, and really, I think that they're just fundamentally different. This post got some really good engagement, so I everyone's saying, and I wanted to just address this on YouTube and make a really quick video about it. So a little over a year ago, when I started making YouTube videos about N8N, it was in hyper growth mode, and it was blowing up.
Oke, jadi mungkin kalian bingung ini grafik apa. Jadi ini itu grafik tren ya. Jadi kalau misalkan kalau kalian content creator kalian pasti tahu ini tren keywordsnya. Jadi kalau kalian lihat di awal itu mereka itu sama masih popularitasnya. Yang merah itu Cloud, yang biru itu N8N. Tapi waktu kalian mulai di 2026 ini, Cloud-nya langsung melonjak gitu.
Up and videos were going viral left and right about N8N AI agents. And over the past couple months, myself and tons of other N8N creators have noticed that the N8N video views have been going down. And there is this weird association online with views and value, and they're not, one to one. And what you can see right here is over the past 3 months, when you compare Claude and N8N on Google Trends, they had been relatively the same. And Claude Code came out about a year ago, and it then came out obviously a long time ago, but in the past really year is when it's blown up. But they've been kind of hand in hand. And all of a sudden lately, Claude Code has been kind of surpassing N8N when it comes to search interest and YouTube views and stuff like that. But is N8N dead? No. I don't think that N8N will ever fundamentally be dead. They've carved out a really nice corner in the AI automation market, and I think that they've built a really good community, and their tool is really, solid. The other question I'm getting is, I'm a beginner, I'm getting into.
Oke, jadi ini aku tambahin dulu gimana cara Cloud Code itu bisa komplement sama N8N. Jadi dari yang aku lihat ini, Cloud Code ini bukan kayak pengganti N8N. Tapi Cloud Code ini bakal yang jadi ngebantu kalian ngedesain, ngebrainstorming. Dan N8 ini adalah tempat implementasi dari automation itu. Maksudnya gimana? Jadi contohnya Cloud Code sama programming language. Jadi Cloud Code itu bukan pengganti programming language, tapi Cloud Code itu yang bakal ngebantu kalian ngedesain programnya. Habis itu language ini implementasi supaya bisa kalian publish ke konsumer. Jadi analoginya gitu. Mungkin agak susah dimengerti tapi kita lanjut.
AI, which one do I go for? I still think that as a beginner, you want to start with N8N. It's a lot clearer, it's a lot more simple, it's a lot more visual. And even myself, a couple months ago, when I first started using Claude Code, I was pretty confused. But I would consider myself someone who's pretty N8N savvy and pretty technically savvy. But I was pretty confused jumping into Claude Code and trying to understand, okay, I've got these Python scripts. Now, how do they actually work on a schedule or on a webhook? So, my conclusion is N8N will always be a relevant tool. It will always be a leader when it comes to workflow automation. and it's going to be highly adopted because of how low the barrier to entry is in order to go build your first workflow or your first AI agent. But the days of end-to-end videos on YouTube or on X going viral, those days are over, I think. And as I've been dropping more content, expanding my toolset a little bit, that's caused a little bit of panic in my communities, is what I've seen. As far as like, should I not be learning end-to-end anymore? Like, what should I be doing? And so basically, my promise to you guys is that I don't know where the AI space is going. No one does. Even the experts are scared. They don't know how to keep up. There's so much going on. But my promise is I'm going to try to stay as close to it as possible and bring you guys what I think is relevant. So don't think of this as me switching from end-to-end to Claude Code. They're different. Think of this as me expanding my tool set and hopefully expanding your guys' skills and knowledge onto different tools as well. The real friction point for me, and that I'm seeing with a lot of people, is deploying. It's super easy to get into Claude Code, brainstorm with it.
Oke. Jadi ini salah satu poin yang aku mau kalian fokusin. Jadi kalau misalkan kalian masih pemula, Claude Code itu bukan cuman jangan kalian anggap sebagai builder. Jadi biasanya ini kesalahan aku dulu waktu pakai AI, itu aku nge-outsource proses desainnya ke Claude Code. Jadi kayak aku mau terburu-buru untuk bisa ngebuat sesuatu, jadinya aku nggak belajar sesuatu gitu, karena aku nge-outsource desainnya ke AI. Nah, cara yang lebih bagusnya itu kalian pakai Claude Code sebagai guru. Jadi maksud aku dari guru itu adalah Claude Code itu punya knowledge yang lebih luas dari kalian. Jadi waktu kalian minta mereka buat sesuatu, kalian bakal sadar bahwa oh, ada knowledge yang kalian nggak tahu, bahwa kalian nggak tahu. Nah, itu yang bisa kalian manfaatin dari Claude Code kalau misalkan kalian mau belajar langsung Claude Code plus N8N di awal. Oke, jadi aku mungkin nggak akan nonton sampai akhir, tapi kalian bisa, sekali lagi, kalian bisa langsung nonton ini videonya kalau kalian mau. Ini salah satu video yang aku kayak udah kayak screening mana yang relevan bagi kalian, mana yang nggak relevan bagi kalian. Jadi kalian bisa langsung aja nonton, mungkin kalian bisa subscribe dia kalau kalian mau, dan sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.